Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the train has a viable power plan and basic safety clears. Check battery voltage and generator output with a multimeter so you know where to focus repairs. Once done, isolate the affected circuit and remove power to prevent shorts. Inspect couplings and brakes visually and by hand to find seized parts. Make sure to note missing fasteners and any fuel or coolant leaks before touching electrical components. This prevents repeated work and keeps you safe. You now dismantle only what's necessary to reach failed systems, labeling fasteners as you go for precise reassembly. Use the multimeter to check alternator output and starter draw and probe relays for coil continuity. When you see open circuits, trace wiring harnesses back to connectors for corrosion. For mechanical faults, free up seized bearings with penetrating oil and gentle heat. Avoid hammering. Once you identify the root cause, decide whether a field repair, part swap, or temporary bypass is safest and fastest. You perform repairs by swapping in tested parts and tightening to spec. When specs are unknown, aim for snug plus 1/4 turn and confirm no binding. Reconnect grounds and restore power slowly, watching for smoke or abnormal draw. Once stable, run engine idle tests, then a controlled short run to exercise brakes and drivetrain. Make sure to log actions and mark replaced components. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent faults persist, recheck grounds and wiring harness connectors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.